Hello YouTubers, welcome again to another episode. So what I'd like to talk about today, and it's again probably one of those things where some people agree and disagree, but this one's going to be about cyclists. Now obviously I always want to talk about the right thing to do when you come across a cyclist, and that's don't get too close when you're overtaking. Give yourself plenty of room if you can, and it's a nice clear straight. Make sure you keep yourself over into the other lane so you can get by the cyclist. Doesn't make them jump out of their skin. And that's the correct thing to do. And if you're coming up to an on a bend, slow down, be patient. Wait until you can see what's ahead of you. Again, wide berth and go around them. So now that's done, let's talk about the big bugbear of cyclists and motorcycles. And probably for car drivers at the same time. So this is an example that happened to me very recently. I was out actually driving in my car, and I was going through a nice sort of town coming towards the outside, and they have actually a cycle lane that's really great. And you had a stretch of cyclists riding along in a cycle lane, and then you had one of them where they go basically two abreast, and they basically was like riding along, yabbering, and this went on for some time. And this is one of these roads where there is a bend after bend, and it's busy and cars are coming. So we were queuing, and so were all the cars behind me. And you're there going, there's a cycle lane for your cycles to keep you guys safe. You're not overtaking him because you're talking and you've been there for a while. So why do you feel the need to take up the road, cause a massive tailback, so you can have a chat? I mean, you're out on push bikes. Stay in your push bike lane. We're not driving or riding in your push bike lane. We leave that for you guys. So why not use it? I mean, another example again was I was riding back down the A43 of all places between a town called Northampton and Kettering, and they actually have the actual curb made for cyclists. And again, brilliant, because that's a busy road. It's single, but it's fast track road, and people, they do go up and down there, and they do the speed limit, probably plus. And you had this, you had these group of cyclists again, and instead of using the cycle lane, they decide to use the road. And what you've sort of got then is another tailback of cars trying to get by, and these guys are either, I don't know what they're thinking. Are they thinking the cycle lane's not good enough for them? I don't understand. And I've mentioned it in a previous one of my videos as well, when it came down to horses. I think anything on the road should have to have some kind of road insurance. And I believe the same for a cyclist as well. Not just to protect people that might have an accident due to them doing something daft and them having to swerve out, or anything like that, but to protect themselves as well, because not every car driver or motorcyclist is polite enough to give you a wide berth, and accidents do happen. And obviously I want you guys to be covered in every single way as well, but stick to your cycle lanes, and you'll stay a lot more safer. Anyway, that was a quick podcast, and I appreciate I'll probably get some dislikes for this one, but yeah, motorcycles versus cyclists. Until next time, take care and goodbye.